Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about how to download Power BI desktop, and after that, we will just discuss with the Power BI, or we will just going through the Power BI desktop. We will meet with the Power BI desktop, how Power BI desktop looks like. So here, this is a website powerbi.microsoft.com. So you just need to mention on Google free download Microsoft Power BI. After that, this would be the first link. You can just click here, and then you have this option to download Microsoft Power BI desktop. So once you click on download, so it will be downloaded like other software. Once it is downloaded, so you will in your start, if you search, you will get Power BI desktop application like this. Okay, so after that you can click on it and it would be open like this. Okay, so if you just need to work on your local system, then you don't need to sign in this option because it would be on your local. But you need if you need to publish this, so for that you need to sign in. But in this video we are not going to discuss about publishing. So just let me go through this Power BI desktop. So this is Power BI desktop. It looks like this one. And if you see, there's a home tab here. So in home tab, there are different options like get data, Excel data, like to extracting data. And then we have different option to get to select the visuals from here, as well as we can select from the third party by clicking on more visual. And then using modeling, we can do model, we can create model, we can basically save the data. And by view, we can basically change the theme of this page. Right now it is showing white, so we can change the theme here. And we can also change the page view from here, and we can use different features of Power BI from here. And this is the help section, and other like if you need to go through some training videos, some learning things, so you can click here and you can directly take support from Microsoft, and you can go through some documentation, Power BI blocks. So this is the high level overview of this menu option, I can say. In the left side, you will see these three options. This is basically for modeling. This is for like data transformation thing, and this is for the report canvas, which we are right now. And in the right side, if you see, so we have this basically visualization, from where you can select the different visualization, and also you can do formatting in this area. And if you go into the top right, then sorry, side right, then you will get the data set here. You can extract the data. We will see in the coming video how we extract the data, and then you will have all the data sets here. So this is the data set tab, this is the data visualization tab, and this is the filter. Let's say you have to filter your data based on some condition, you can do like this way. And if you see below, so you have different page option, so you can create a report or you can create visualization on different pages. So this is basically, I can say, this is the high level overview of how to download Power BI and how Power BI desktop looks like. Hope it would be helpful for beginners. If it is helpful, then please like and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.